Hello, in this video I'll tell you how to configure your database for the project. First, you need to go to this link, start a free account, enter your information. After entering your information, you can create an account. Verify your email. After verifying your email, click continue. Fill in the information. Select a hosting solution. You can choose either three of them. I'll choose shared. Create a user. Select my local environment. In this you can write any IP address that you want this to access, but I'll allow all IPs, so enter. Finish and close. Go to database. Wait for the cluster to load. Now the cluster has loaded. You need to browse collection. Click on add your own data. Enter the database name. Enter a collection name. Collection name can be any of the collection found in your API schema or model. I have selected food. Click create. Your database has been collected with the name testing-db. Click overview. And now click connect. Select the connect your application. This is the connection string that you'll need in your API with the password that you have set and the database name that you have made. Copy this in your API, paste the connection string in your environment variable. You can set different environment variable for development, production or staging environment. Afterwards, your database will be configured. If you have any queries, please let me know.